I'm Yusuf Quadri Temitope, a brother to Bola Kale Yusuf that was brutally murdered by Wasiu Akinwande, a.k.a.Olori Esho, on the 31st of July 2024.
Tell us what happened?
Exactly 10:20, I was called by a friend that Wasiu has shot my brother. On getting there, I saw my brother lying in a pool of blood, and like 10 meters away, I saw him, Wasiu Akinwande. I saw him with my eye. But I was there to just try to rescue my brother. So immediately after the occurrence, I took my brother to an hospital, or a hospital rather, Aisha Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Then we called on the tactical team of Ogambasi. And before even the Ogambasi arrived, there was a guy, before my arrival, there was a guy that tried to rescue my brother, Ramadan Muhammad. Because this guy is trying to rescue a friend, they killed that guy too, on that spot. So while we tried to call on the police, we called on the tactical team of Ogambasi because that was the closest division that was to us. They came to our rescue. That fateful night, around 12:08, we got to his residence. He flew, he ran, but we were able to recover many of the ammunition, among which the one he used to kill my brother, according to the IPO in charge, was among.
Does he know your brother? Why did this person kill your brother?
Actually, that's the thing I've been asking him. I've been asking him since. But from onset,
what have you been asking him since?
I think while we are on, yes,
living in the same environment?
Yes,
let him
yes. The environment we stay is very close to each other. He stays at Mobolaji Street, while we stay at Olori Morgan. So it's a community environment where we can always interact. But I don't think my brother has anything to do with him. He is a keke napep rider. My brother is a keke napep rider and the vice chairman of his pack. So from the report, I was told he said, and I quote, that he has been feeling too pompous. God bear me witness. But that fateful day, my thing is that I saw this guy with a gun that he used on my brother. And I will say this till the last breath.
So why you want to be told?
And we were told that he's going to be arraigned today. And automatically, this has been the case where people see justice and they run away from it, maybe because they are afraid or the likes. I am here to tell the world I saw him, and he is the mother of my brother and Ramadan.
How has he been, without your brother all this long?
It's almost a year. It's not almost, it's a year and days now, because we buried him August 1st, and today is August 5th, if I'm not mistaken. A year without him has been a very, very brutal, because he has a kid, he has a daughter, which you should know is a burden. I'm not calling her a burden, but something the father should have been doing is now another person's doing. And again, what the person he killed, I would say it is let me say, among the 5 children my parents give birth to, everybody knows he's the closest to me. So this is why I'm always at the top of this game.
Okay, now what do you want now? What do you want?
I just want justice. There's nothing I can do for him. There's nothing I myself, if there's anything I can do, I will have to do that since over months. But I want justice to prevail. From sources, he has been doing this, he has been doing this, he has been killing. He's not just, I don't need to say he's a mistake killer. Yeah, he's a serial killer according to research. So if he has been doing it and he does this and it goes away, we don't know who he's next to. That's why I want to protect the image of the community. Thank you very much. I am Yusuf Quadri Temitope.
I'm here because Wasiu Olori Esho killed my son on the 31st, and he shot him on the 31st of July 2024. I'm at home. Quadri called me that I should come to Aisha's hospital. I said, for what? Bola Kale's senior brother. So I went there. I saw Ramadan with blood. I said, what happened? Because I'm confused. I called the area commander. I called the Itire police station that something is happening in our area. Then we have already called this Ogabasi commander. They came there. When they came there, he ran away. They entered his home. They took all these things, guns, because I don't know how to call it. He's gone, sha. So all what I want is, please, we need justice, because he has been doing all these things. But this one, Bola Kale and Ramadan Yusuf, we want justice on them, please.
As a mother,
please.
how does it be without your son?
He really touched me because he's my second born. He's 23 years old. He taught me. He's a printing. He's working at Lagos Island. He's a printing. He's a printer. Yes, ma. Yes, Muhammad Tukur Ramadan. My name is Hajia Hafsat Abdullahi.
Which year did this happen?